guys. I have to speak really slow because I'm gonna wake up my little son. Then I'm gonna have a big trouble with my wife. Okay, so that's why I have to talk like this. Okay, cool. This is the announcement that we said we wanted to do. And it's about that we yesterday we released two nice features that were in our roadmap to our production environment. So the first one is that now we have the first batch of the landscape templates. If you come here to the selector and click in the landscape templates 16.9, you will see that there is a lot of them. So our teams keep working on like creating all the others, but you can start playing with this now. So cool, we have more templates, yay! So that's the first thing. The other one is that we just released the dynamic videos. So if you check out our deal page on AppSumo, you will see that we updated like the plans and everything. So I will show you really quick what I'm talking about with the dynamic video. So I will take, interesting. Okay, let me hide my little face. So let's pick like something like a template here. I love the airlines, so I kind of know their business and things like that. So yeah, I'm gonna pick this one for the example. So what we're gonna do is just like create a campaign email uh, for an email marketing campaign for airlines. So cool. So the videos is like the name of the person and then a destination. Take a look. It's like this. So you have the name of the person, then you have like destination and a price, right? So what I'm gonna do is like using the dynamic videos to create uh, this like in a dynamic way. So let's wait for the editor. So in the dynamic videos we made like a few tutorials. We share the links as well, but the only big thing that you have to remember is that you can come here and change anything, any content, any text, even the media, everything using this notation here. Okay, and you can put name. Okay, so if you do that, okay, it's gonna change. And then if you come here, you're gonna see like we added toggle, like it's for you to allow you select like if you wanna build native videos. Those are the videos that we had already, like the MP4s. And there is a quota. I have like a tier 2 account. Here is the dynamic videos. So you see that the quota is reflecting this. So cool. So after you build the dynamic videos, it should take just a few seconds. So you have something like this, hey name, okay? So if you come here in the dynamic content section and you click on the landing page, I'm gonna do this example with this really quick. So you will see that the dynamic values, there is a variable. That was a variable that I just like created before, and it says name value. So if you copy and paste this in the new tab, you will see something like this. Let's wait. It's gonna be really quick. Yeah, see, the value is reflecting that even in the video. So if you're gonna say, hey, Ava, you will see that the video is gonna change, reflecting that new name. Okay, so that's really cool, right? Okay, so you can change everything. let's say that you want to add like dynamic destinations, dynamic pricing, and we have more surprises. Uh, we have here, we added a tutorial that you can like just take a look, but you can customize almost everything inside this type of dynamic videos in Woxo. So you can change the images, the media, the music, everything that is in the spreadsheet, you can change it here. So that's why we are super excited to just like give you the possibility, guys, to play around with this technology. Because like I mean, like having the power to real time change all these variables is great. I mean, like my brain is like woo, every time that I talk about this because there are so many possibilities out there. So let me show you really quick. So let's see. Let's say that we're gonna change the second media of the video. Okay, uh, this guy. Okay, I'm gonna change this media to be like a Miami Beach picture. So I'm gonna come here to the advanced settings and I say like media city image. Let's use an image. Okay, so cool, right? If you come here to the export section, uh-huh, if you come here to the export section and just build the video again, you will see that after opening this URL, let me just copy and paste it here. Let me see. Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna copy this. So that's it, guys. Just go to this article and read it. You can like be like boom, like there's a lot of things that you can do with the dynamic videos. Just changing the font size, the text style, the fonts, position, scenes, everything. So hope you enjoy these updates. There are more coming, I believe, this Friday or Monday with the scenes, things, and we are like trying to like put our roadmap out there. Okay, so see you guys.